Alright, welcome back to my channel. Here we'll be working on the construction of the front elevation of this building, as we have worked on the plan, as you can see here. So let's see what we need to make use of for the construction of the front elevation. So as we have here for the specifications, we are going to make use of the door, so the height of the door in the front elevation, we are making use of that, and also with the width. Then we are making use of the height and the width of the windows, we are making use of that, and also we are going to make use of the floor to ceiling height. Floor to ceiling height, we are making use of it for the front elevation. Then we are making use of the specifications for the roof, as we have here. So I've talked about the specifications for doors and windows in the construction of the plan. So now, let's look at the dimensions for the floor to ceiling height. So floor to ceiling height, as given here, is 3,100, and then we come to the roof. So this is roof, not room. So this is roof. Okay, so this is roof. So for the roof, as we have here, so this type of roof given is a flat roof, or we call it parapet roof. Okay, I'm still going to show you how you can construct other type of roof, but this one I want us to have it simple from now. Okay, then we build it to the ones of that of gable roof and that of the hip roof. Okay, so now here we have that we have 250 reinforced concrete. We have 1,000 by 100 parapet with reinforced concrete coping, and 50 asphalt roof finish. I'm going to show you all these things in the front elevation, how you have to construct them. So let's go and do that. The scale that we are using here is 1:100, as we have used for that of the plan. So we are still using the same scale for the front elevation. So what we need to do first here is to draw a line, horizontal line, and this line stands for the ground level. Okay, now after we have done this, the next thing that we are going to do is that by the time we are looking at this building in this direction, this is the front, as we have the porch here. So by the time we are looking at this building in this direction, we are going to see this corner of the wall. So therefore we need to draw a vertical line from this point. So we draw a vertical line from this point. So first of all, make it with 18 continuous line. And also we are going to see this window here. We are going to see this window. So what you need to do, just produce a vertical line down. Okay, so produce a vertical line down here, and also from this point also produce a vertical line. Okay, then we are going to see these doors here, but we are going to see these doors, but before that we need to draw a vertical line. So from this point we draw a vertical line from this point, and also from this point we draw a vertical line. So we also need to draw a vertical line from this midpoint here. So draw a vertical line down. Okay, also we are going to see this window here, so we draw a vertical line. So we also see, so this is, we need to draw this. Also we come here, so we draw a vertical line here, and here also we draw a vertical line. Okay, then here also we draw a vertical line for this window, and okay, so we are going to see the edge of this wall here. Alright, so this line that we drew first, as I said, this is the ground level, so we need to indicate it. So you write GL, G.L, so as the ground level line. Then after this, so the next thing that we are going to do is to locate the floor. So the distance of the floor from the ground level, so we need to do that. So let's take that to be 2 millimeters. Let's take 2 millimeters for the distance of the ground level from the floor from the ground level. So here we also draw horizontal line. So we leave it as horizontal line for now. So we leave it as horizontal line for now. So I'm going to write here, so FL, so floor level, FL, floor level. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do now is to take the height of the building from the floor to ceiling height, so from the floor, so we are going to take 31, as the floor to ceiling height is 3,100, so we take 31 millimeters. So this is 31 millimeters from the surface of the floor. So you take that measurement and then you draw a horizontal line at this point. Don't forget that the type of roof that you want to work on is a flat roof, or we call it parapet roof. So we draw a horizontal line like this. So then I need to come here. So I will come to this point where we have this projection. This projection is we use 1000, which divided by 100, and that gives us 10 millimeters. So just draw this down. I will come here also, we draw this down like this. Okay, so next thing that we are going to do, let's come to the roof. As I have said before, so we have concrete which is 250 millimeters thick. 250 millimeters thick. So if I divide that by 100, that will give me 2.5, and 2.5 I will just approximate that to 3 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 3 millimeters from here, 3 millimeters, and then I will draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, then we now come to the parapet itself. Come to the parapet itself. So the height of the parapet, the parapet is going to stand on this concrete. So the height of the parapet is 1000, which will give us 10 millimeters if we divide that by 100. And also the thickness is 100. So 100 by 100, that will give us 1. So what we are going to do is that from this point here, so we take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters. So this is 10 millimeters. So here we are going to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line like this. Okay. Then we are told that we have a coping. We have a coping. So on this parapet, we have a coping. The dimension of the coping is not given. So we are going to do that ourselves. So I'll just take 2 millimeters for the coping. I'll take 2 millimeters for the coping. So from this point, take 2 millimeters for the coping. I will draw a horizontal line here. Okay, so we extend this out. Alright, so now, so for what we have here right now, so I'm going to make, so this line. So for the parapet, so I'm going to take a measurement of, I just take 3 millimeters for it to be feasible. Okay. So the parapet will be flat as we have it, but I need to take a measurement of 3 millimeters here. So also I will take 3 millimeters because there is a line inside the roof that cannot be seen outside. So I need to. So here we draw a vertical line. And here we also draw a vertical line. So I will still make it to be a short dashes line. So I need to extend this line a bit for the coping. So the coping goes a little bit out. So if I just take like a measurement of 3 millimeters, and here also I'll take 3 millimeters. Alright, so okay. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do here, so we need to bring out the shape of the roof. So here we make this a thick line. Okay, so we are going to make this a thick line from here to here, and this will also be made with a thick line. Okay, so then on this part, so make this line a thick line like this, and we also make this line a thick line. Then this line, so make this a thick line, and we also make this a thick line. Alright, so also, so for this part we are going to make this with short dashes line, because there is a rectangular or square hole in this roof. So that's why you can't see the hole, because it's inside. So you need to make this part with short dashes line. So the coping starts from here up. So the parapet. So the parapet starts from here up. It's placed on top of the concrete. Likewise, we also make this with short dashes line. Also here, so we also make this with short dashes line. Alright, so then, so coming to the edge of the wall here, so I have to make this a thick line from here to here, and also I'll make this a thick line from here to here, the edge of the wall. Okay, now so here we have a beam here. Don't forget that we have a beam here. So that beam, so that beam, so we are going to, so we have it from here to here. So that is I'm going to draw a vertical line from here down, and also so from here down. Alright, so I just place the beam. I'll place the beam around here. So they may give 3 dimension, so there's no problem. So this is the beam. So and then so I'm going to make this a thick line from here to here, and a thick line from here to here. So that is the beam. So it may have a curve, there's no problem. So you may have a curve there. And then so for the beam to be here, so we are going to have the edge of a wall. So we are going to have the edge of a wall here. So we are going to have the edge of a wall. So I need to make this. So I want to make this a thick line down here. And also this should be a thick line down. Alright, so let's work on the doors. So we have doors here, and the height of the door given is 2100. So if you divide that by 100, that will give us 21. So we take a measurement of 21 millimeters from this point up to 21 millimeters. So this is 21 millimeters. So then I'm going to draw a horizontal line here. So go up a little bit. So I want to produce the frame for the door. So then alright, so then I'm going to make this a thick line. So the type of door we are using is a flush door, or the flush doors are the type of roof that we are using. So make this line a thick line, and make this a thick line from here to here, and also make this a thick line. Then, so we are going to make this part with a thick line. Okay. So here, so I'll just put, so it's a flush door, so we leave it as it is now. So then, so here we are going to, so for this ground level, so because this is a porch or a veranda, so we leave this part, we make this this line from here to here, make it thick, while the rest, that is the floor level inside the building, which will not be seen outside. So we make it a short dashes line. So we come here and do the same thing. So after this, we are going to put the window. So let's put the windows there. So the window that we have here, so this window, so they will be at the same height with the door. So I'll just, okay, so then, so the height of this door, I think this door is W1. So we have W1, so it is 900 by 900. So I'm going to take a measurement of 9 millimeters from this point down. So this is 9 millimeters. Okay, so we draw a horizontal line here. Okay, so I will also have the same type of window in this top, that is here. So we also make draw horizontal line here. Alright, so then I'm going to make this line. Produce the frame. Alright, so so this type of window that we have here that we are using is, we have this type of window to be louver windows. So louver windows. So we have that all windows are louver. So alright, so I just make a rectangle here. Since it's a louver window, so I'll also make a rectangle here. Then for this I will produce a rectangle. So that's the window there. So I will do the rest of the windows. That is this window, this and this, and then I'll come back and show you the final work. Alright, so this is the front elevation. So I produced the two windows that we have here. Dimension of these two windows is 1200 by 1200. That is 1212. So that's what you see here. Okay, so this is how the front elevation will look then, and then you need to write it here, the plan 1:100. That's the scale that we use. Then we have the front elevation here. Then don't forget to indicate the floor level and also the ground level. So all these things are part of what will be taken note of when they are preparing the marking guide, and also to mark your work here in building drawing. Thank you and keep on practicing. God bless you.